Okay, so I thought Apple had maxed out the iPhone 17 Pro Max game until I saw the rumors about the 48 megapixel telephoto lens, the A19 Pro chip, and a design that looks like it escaped from a James Bond movie. And no, I'm not kidding. This might be the phone that actually takes better selfies than you do after a full skincare routine. Hey, welcome to the channel. And if you've ever looked at your current iPhone and said, yeah, but where's the horizontal camera bump? Or I need more Wi-Fi 7. Well, you're either me or you're weirdly specific. Either way, let's dive into everything we know about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, coming September 2025. And yes, I'm already losing sleep over it. Look, we all love our iPhones, but come on, how many times have you dropped yours and prayed it survived? Or tried to take a photo in low light and it looked like someone smeared spaghetti sauce over the lens? My iPhone 14 Pro Max, basically a space heater by day 3. Battery life, more temperamental than my morning coffee mood. And don't even get me started on the camera. Trying to shoot video while walking felt like filming Titanic with a handheld camcorder. Then, one late night, doom scrolling TikTok for tech leaks, I stumbled across something that made me drop my spoon of cereal mid-bite. The iPhone 17 Pro Max wasn't just rumored to have a new camera, it was going full stealth tech mode. Half aluminum, half glass with a horizontal camera bump that looks like it belongs on a spaceship. I clicked, I read, I screamed, then I got popcorn, because what came next was pure fire. Let me tell you, I started imagining how I'd use this thing in real life. Like when you're at a party and someone says, oh, you still use an iPhone 16. You casually pull out the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and boom, silence, then applause, then someone tries to steal it. Of course, I dropped it in slow motion testing, and guess what? Instead of shattering into a million pieces like my poor 16 Pro, it bounced. Yes, bounced. Aluminum back equals genius move, Apple. Glass only on the bottom for MagSafe. That's just playing chess while the rest of us are playing checkers. All right, let's talk specs. Because holy cow, there's a lot to unpack here. We've got the A19 Pro chip, built on a 3 nanometer process. Translation? This thing is faster than my dog chases squirrels. RAM jumps to 12 gigabytes, which makes multitasking smoother than my grandma's peach cobbler. 120 Hz ProMotion on all models now, and meaning even the base iPhone 17 gets buttery smooth scrolling. Bless up to Apple for finally democratizing smoothness. And yes, they're bringing Wi-Fi 7, Qualcomm modems, and possibly reverse wireless charging at 7.5 watt, meaning you can charge your AirPods wirelessly like some kind of futuristic wizard. But wait, hold up, there's a catch. Rumors say the anti-glare display coating got axed due to production issues, so basically your phone will look sexy as hell, but good luck seeing that screen in sunlight without squinting like you're reading tiny subtitles on a Netflix show. The good camera bump redesign, horizontally aligned lenses, bold, risky, possibly genius. Battery life improvements, thicker body means bigger battery. Finally, a phone that lasts longer than my gym motivation. Vapor chamber cooling. Yeah, that's a real thing. No more overheating during Instagram live rants. The bad. No anti-glare coating. So much for being the ultimate outdoors phone. 48 megapixels telephoto zoom drops from 5x to 3.5x. But wait, they'll simulate it digitally. So basically, same result, just less cool. The hilarious. Apple calling it the Pro Max when it probably weighs as much as a small laptop. I'm picturing people getting wrist strain holding it up to take a selfie. So, would I bet my Wi-Fi password on this phone? 1000%. Would I trade my soul for early access? Maybe. Is the iPhone 17 Pro Max going to make waves? Absolutely. But beyond the specs, what excites me most is the vision. A redesigned chassis, better durability, cutting-edge chips, and a camera system that could possibly make my photos look like Ansel Adams on his best day. All right, squad, Smash that subscribe button if you're ready to upgrade your life in 2025. Drop a phone in the comments if you're already picking your pre-order color. I'm leaning toward sky blue, subtle but suspiciously expensive looking. And stick around because next week I review a $500 AirTag alternative that somehow also feeds your cat. True story. See you next time. Peace out. Peace.